Removing scratches from historical photographs is a quick process in ACDSee. Open your image in edit mode and add a noise reduction adjustment layer. The layer is located right here. Typically, higher luminance will remove a lot of the grain and speckles of your image. It might struggle to get rid of some of the larger scratches. Temporarily hide the layer we just added. To remove larger scratches, right-click on your base image and apply a frequency separation. Typically, the default settings on frequency separation should suffice for our adjustments, so just click Done within this window. Frequency separation creates two layers. One layer contains texture and areas of high degree of contrast in your image. The other layer contains variations in saturation and typically appears a little bit blurred. Let's take this top layer, the high pass layer, and click on the Repair tool. Use the Blended Clone tool to remove the scratches. Right-click to add a set point, and left-click to apply that set point. Once that's complete, click Done. Now select the low pass layer and click the Blur tool. Make sure we're blurring using the brush. Blur out any splotches or discoloration. From here, we can turn on the noise reduction layer again. And now we'll simply add a sharpness layer. We'll pull up this sharpness layer to the top of our layer order. This layer is just to accentuate the higher contrast areas in our subject. And here is a before and an after. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.